Wahala for inside Adamawa state governorship election as the rec don declare Binani wey be APC candidate as the winner of that election. My people, una welcome to this GMTV Daily News Update. Una what's up channel where una dey get ogbonge gist for Naija and all over the world. If this is the first time we to see any of our video, we tell you say welcome and make you not forget to follow our page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on all notification bell so that you go feel get better update anytime we be like say we drop correct video. Oh yeah, make we go inside the gist we will get for now today. Kasala don burst for inside the governorship election inside Adamawa state, as they don't declare the candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC Ashitudiru Binani as the winner of the election even before they count the vote finish. The resident electoral commissioner wey dey for inside INEC office Udu Yunusa now announced Binani as the winner. He declared her the winner even when the time wey be like say collation suppose start for Sunday morning never even reach. Make una remember say for inside the law na the returning officer na dey announce the result, not be the resident electoral commissioner rec na dey announce their results. According to the report we gather, the rec don allocate 221,303 votes to the People's Democratic Party candidate wey be the sitting governor Ahmadu Umaru Fitri. The figure wey even give Fitri represents a 50% shortfall of the initial vote wey im first get of over 400,000. We remember say DJMTV don first report how on the 20th of March say the Adamawa state governorship election dey declare her inconclusive, even as the sitting governor wey dem dey call Umaru Fitri dey lead the APC candidate with over 421,524 votes. They can't declare that election inconclusive because Professor Mohammed wey be the returning officer talk say the vote wey dem cancel for inside the election big pass the margin wey be like say dem wan take win the particular election. After the supplementary election for inside Adamawa state on Saturday, the returning officer wey be Professor Mohammed, after e don collate 10 local government area, come adjourn the collation go Sunday around 11 o'clock. But however, to the surprise of everybody, as early as 9 o'clock for that Sunday morning, the resident electoral commissioner wey dey in company of the police commissioner for inside the state, Mohammed Baja, director of Department of State Service and the commandant of Nigerian Civil Service Defence Corps, don announce Binani as the winner. As at the time wey be like say they announce Binani as the winner, some of the agents dey tell am say e no get the right to announce the result as not be inductive by the law to announce result. The person wey suppose announce result na the returning officer, and according to wetin dem dey talk and wetin dem dey see, the returning officer no dey there. Oya, make we see the video wey be like say until they declare and when the matter take dey happen for inside the hall, we dey come back.
Other players, like the returning officer should be here. So let's you are not the returning officer, so there's no way.
Why are you announcing the result?
With all due respect, the returning officer.
No, you are not the returning officer.
The returning officer is not here.
Why are you
I don't
announcing
expect
the
that you do this.
No, you are not the returning officer. Why are you returning officer?
Please.
No.
Our bosses are here.
You are not the returning officer.
Please.
No.
Please.
No, you are not the returning officer.
Please.
Wait for the returning officer. You cannot.
Let's hear Almighty God. Let's hear Almighty God.
It will not happen.
Let's hear Almighty God, please. I respect you as a father.
You cannot.
I respect you as a father. Please don't do this.
You cannot do this.
Please, as a father.
You are not the returning officer.
You are not the returning officer.
Wait for the returning officer. By law.
Oh no. Oh.
You are not the returning officer.
I plead with you with all due respect. Don't do this. Please don't do this. Fear God.
You are not the returning officer.
You are fasting. You are fasting and Almighty Allah is watching you.
You are not the returning officer. You cannot make this result.
Almighty Allah is watching you.
You cannot.
Fear Allah.
You cannot.
Fear Allah.
You cannot.
It's unfair.
There's nothing at all. There's nothing you cannot do.
Fear Allah.
They cannot return.
What are you saying? I just don't want Allah.
You cannot. No.
I just don't want Allah.
No.
No. Let's get God. There is a God.
No, there's nothing like that.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
No, you are not.
No. It can't happen.
Based on
This is not fair. You cannot call a result here and now.
You cannot.
You see, based on
No. You cannot.
based on the score
No, okay, someone like
the APC support the highest vote.
No.
By that, I can
How?
Governor of Adamawa.
How?
Thank you very much.
How?
So my people, now welcome back to DJMTV Daily News Update. Una don use eye to see wetin happen for inside Adamawa State for inside election. Na the returning officer na dey announce result of who win and who lose. But this particular video we just watch now for inside Adamawa State governorship election, na the resident electoral commission na announce the result, which e not supposed to happen. Na the leg wey be like say they get for where they forget her, na make dem dey do wetin dem fit dey do so, because under normal circumstances why the resident electoral commissioner go announce result even when dem never finish collation. According to the report wey we gather, na 10 local governments dey don collate. E still remain, dem never collate am finish. But now the day wey be like say dem say okay dem go continue, some hours before the time wey be like say the returning officer suppose come complete the process, the resident electoral commissioner don run come with some policemen, with some civil defence people, and according to the report, the director of Department of State Service for inside Adamawa State join that person, sit down for that place, dey announce result when dem know say no be the law be that. In fact, this country na wetin e dey turn into, because I no fit understand why the resident electoral commissioner go announce election result wey be like say by law na the returning officer suppose do am. Oya my people, make una shook mouth for this matter. How una see the matter? Because some people don even first talk say na wetin the INEC chairman do for presidential election na the resident electoral commissioner dey copy, so na e say wan do for inside the Adamawa State governorship election. How una see this matter? Make una go the comment section, make una go tell us how una think say this matter suppose be and how the matter go. Wetin una fit call this kind issue or this kind case for inside Naija? Drop your comment for the comment section. I go sooner for the next video.
DJ some of the delegates and ask them questions. DJ ATV.